Hello, hi everyone. Yeah, hi Kaushal. Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
Okay. Okay, did you get a chance to subscribe for Azure free trial?
I have already a free trial.
Okay. Okay, already you have free trial. Okay. Long back you have created or recently?
Not a free trial, pay as you go. I have.
Oh, already
Long
you
back I
have.
have paid.
Okay. You only said right, you are working on data
Yes, sir.
engineering.
Data engineer.
Okay.
So how I wanted to know,
Hmm.
suppose if you're available, so how can you give me some instance how it's going to be useful for a data engineers, means this course?
Yeah, actually you people are using data bricks, right?
Yes, correct.
Okay, data bricks can communicate to AI model and you people can generate the reports and all. Okay,
Uh,
so AI model can be integrated with Databricks that we can use it. So apart from that, data source could be a SQL server or storage account. So even Databricks also, you people are storing the data in storage account only, right? In Azure.
Correct.
Yeah. So that's what data will be there in storage account, SQL Server or Cosmos DB, PostgreSQL SQL Server, and pull the data, implement the model, and extract the insight based on project requirement. That is how we will implement.
Okay, got it. And apart from that, anything, any other
Like we
instance?
will call it out APIs. Okay, these model APIs integrate with our application and implement those functionality for our existing application. In that cases, we will use AI itself. See, many things are there. AI not only integration like speech services, vision services, okay, driverless cars we are using, computer vision kind of services. Got it. Now, apart from that, if you want to train the large language model, for example, if you go for hospital domain, okay, automobile industry, they will have huge amount of data, right? You should be trained and provide the insights to the customer, prediction, everything. AI only now, not only just I am telling one silly example. Okay, so there are many use cases where we can implement AI and extract the useful information for business and users.
Okay. And
Mhm.
approximately how many real-time projects you're going to show?
Okay, I will explain around 4 to 5 real-time projects.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
And what are all the things you are working, means what kind of architecture you are following in your company? So what exactly the projects you are doing, means those kind of things you are going to explain?
Actually, we are following like Agile model, right? So if customer would like to design and implement the architecture for their environment and all, we will guide them. If they are facing the issues, we are the point of contact to resolve those issues.
Hmm. Okay.
For example, they want to implement like co-pilot kind of architecture in their environment. Then we will ask them to provide the guidance how to develop the co-pilot to integrate with their own application, integrated with within the environment. That all where we will guide them. Okay, co-pilot is public, right? How same thing can be converted into what is that? For internal organization where exactly we will guide them.
Okay.
Okay, that all kind of based on situation. Now, AI is a like it is vast, right? So we have many things. Every day new features are coming and adding. Okay, it is giving the boost of things.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
And how much salary we can expect? Suppose if you want to go to AI engineer, Azure
Yeah.
AI and ML engineer. So how much salary we can expect if you have
Again,
three to
that is
four?
depends on your experience and all. If we have two
So
years,
consider if you
yeah.
have 3 to 4 years of experience, 3 years you can consider. Suppose
Okay.
if I have 3 years of experience, if I want to move to a AI ML engineer,
What is your
so
current package?
So current, you can consider it as a 10 LPA.
Okay.
How much we can
Yeah,
expect?
it will go 15 max. 3 to 4 years and all, maximum 15 it will go.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay, got it.
Uh,
Thank you.
okay, yeah, see. Now, I will show you how to deploy one sample services in AI. Okay, ML services I will show you. Now, have a look, go to all services. Okay, there is a machine learning. Got it? Machine learning, it comes under DP100. Got it? See, here, workspace are where you can manage all the models, assets and data related your data. Start your Azure machine learning. There is a, now click on it. So there is a machine learning. Now click on machine learning. Okay, create one. What is that? Data source. Okay, here we have new registry and new workspace. Okay, for ML projects and teams, you can go for workspace, right? For sharing ML assets across the workspace, you can go for new registry. Now click on workspace. As I said, what is the subscription? As you know that already, collection of resource group. What is the resource group? Collection of resources. Am I right? Yes or no,
Yes,
guys?
correct.
Yeah. Now already you know you are working on data engineer, right? Now click on it. See, this is the resource group. Currently I am using. Name of the machine learning is my Azure ML 01999 I'm giving. Okay, so here I am taking by default central US. So when you create machine learning, it is creating what? Storage account, key vault, application insight, container registry. Okay, three services are integrating. Clear? One is storage account, key vault, application insight, content, registry. Now click on next. So here we have what? Inbound and outbound rules. This is all the networks. Okay. Click on all networks. Next. Here we have public and allow internet outbound, allow only approved outbound. Okay. Now click on public encryption. So this is the encryption. Now choose the encryption. Okay, now click on next. This is the identity. What is the identity, guys? All identity is nothing but user managed identity and system managed identity. User system managed identity can communicate with to other services to retrieve the data. For example, storage account is there. Okay, I would like to retrieve the data. How we can retrieve the data? Using identity only. Clear? Okay, so storage account access, credential based or identity based. Okay, credential based or identity based. We can access with the credential based. Okay, yeah, next. What is the encryption? Any idea? Customer data would be encrypted and stored into Azure data centers to provide the enterprise grade security. Okay, to provide the what? Enterprise grade security. Clear, Kushal?
Yes, clear.
Yeah. Next, all the networks means anywhere you can access these machine learning models. Okay. Outbound access means this is the public. Okay. See, compute can be access public resources. Outbound data movement is unrestricted. Okay. Yeah. Encryption by default, Microsoft encrypt the user data. Next, identity. So, identity is what? System manager entity. How we can access the storage account. Here, Azure Machine Learning allow you to choose between the credential based or identity based access. Okay, when you connect to default storage account. Okay, credential means you have to pass username and password, or else you can go for identity based. Identity based means when you use identity based, storage block contributor, storage file privileged contributor role must be granted for individual users. Okay, that need to be access storage account. Please contact to admin and all. Okay, so credential based also we can use it. That is the built-in. Go ahead with built-in. What is that? account. Okay, built-in settings. Okay, yeah, next. Now click on tags. What are the tags? What are the tags?
Just for some naming conventions.
Okay. No, tags are name value pairs which will give the information about resource.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, tags are name value pairs, yeah, which will give the information about resource. Yes.
Yeah, clear.
Yeah. Next, hit on replace create it. If you want to provide the tags details, let's see. Environment. Okay. Prod. Environment prod and client. Who is the client? Client, I can say prod. Client is PWS. Okay. Yeah. Now click on hit on replace create it. Okay. Yeah. Just create. Okay. Go to resource. Okay. See guys, this is the one. See, work with your models. Azure Machine Learning Studio. Azure Machine Learning Studio is a web-based web app. You can build, train, test, and deploy ML models. Launch it, start exploring it. Now this is a ML Studio. It contains total information. What is the machine learning under? What is the machine learning? Machine learning is a cloud-based services. Okay, accelerate and manage the machine learning project lifecycle. ML professional data scientists and engineers, okay, can their daily workflows and train and deploy and manage the machine learning operations. You can create the model and try it out. Okay, now go ahead and use Machine Learning Studio. Okay, so this is the look and feel. Have you observed? If you observe here, see there is a generative AI and with prompt. generative AI model. This is notebooks. Okay, yeah, next. Shortcut, recently viewed. Okay, compute instances. What is that? Compute instances. Got it?
You got it.
Okay. So here we can build, deploy, manage, and access the only ML models. Okay. If you observe, there is a generative AI models, right? Okay. We have GPT codex. Okay. And master gen. This is the growth. Okay. This is the DeepSeek. Here we have GPT real time, GPT audio, GPT, what is that? Made image phrase 3D. We have n number of models here. If we click on view all, okay, here we have n number of models. You can do whatever you want. Clear? Okay. Now go to home. Okay. As I said, we have what? Generative AI models. Now click on it. We have n number of models. See, around how many models are there? 11,213 models are there. 11,213 models are there. Okay, yeah, next. Now, for example, GPT-5 it is not allowing, we have to take the license. Now, let's test it out. See, that's what use of this model is disabled. Okay, yeah, we need to send the request access and go to Azure. Here we can go for Azure chart. See the GPT chart. This is the latest again. Okay, so this is also not supporting. They are latest. Actually, in August 9th, they have launched GPT-5. August 9th, they have launched and they have provided the restriction that only organization people can access. If you want to access GPT-5 models and all, your organization should adopt this license. Simply, they are not providing GPT-5. Okay, yeah, next. Now, I will try to use GPT-4o model. Okay, so here you can check categories. Here we have n number of models. See, A12 Labs, Bayer, and Cohere, Databricks. You are asking, right? Databricks models are there. See, directly you can integrate these things with the Databricks AI model. Clear, Cohere? Hello?
Clear.
Yeah. Next, also we have what? Hugging Face, Meta, Microsoft, Mistral model, OpenAI, NVIDIA, entity data also there. Okay, so Snowflake, they have two models. Snowflake Arctic base, Snowflake Arctic Instinct. Got it? Okay, same way we have, okay, Stanford MMI. Many models are there. Now go ahead and use GPT models, first thing. OpenAI 47 models are there. Okay, these are OpenAI 47 models. I am choosing GPT-4o. Okay, previous version. Now use this one. See, direct in Azure models. Okay, official customer managed hosting model. This options customer managed hosting model and all. So I am choosing first one. Cannot fetch the information in Azure Marketplace. What happened? Use model. Okay, see, this is the one. Deploy GPT-4o. Now here you can select the endpoint. This is the experiment name. I am giving my experiment. Okay, so description GPT-4o model I am using. Compute type managed or Kubernetes. Managed I am taking. Okay, yeah, it is the key based, Microsoft Entra based, my Azure machine learning token based. I am taking machine learning based. Now click on next. So this is the GPT-4o custom. Try to use it. Next, this is the deployment name, and scoring time is 60 seconds. After 60 seconds, automatically your server will go down. Or else if you want to increase 2 hours, you can increase 2 hours. Why? Because these are all costly. Am I right? Once practice is over, we have to disable it. Okay, so this is about what? Referring the data, okay, liveness probe, and customize the business, inside diagnostics, enable public access. That all we can create once, what is that? Create the services. Now click on next. Okay, click on next. Now here, what type of coding you are going to use? See, TensorFlow, Skeleton, Light BGM. This is the models, guys. Algorithm we can say. Okay, yeah, next we have n number of algorithms. Okay, yeah, now I am using TensorFlow. It is the very good popular framework. Okay, it will be deployed on Ubuntu Python 3.10 latest version. Okay, yeah, next. Now here select the scripting reference, code environment, freelancing and all you can use. There should be a built-in, guys. You should use built-in. Now I am using some Python file. Let's see. Now this is what? Your architecture. See, by default, they are using what? By default, they are using CPU or GPU. By default, we are using CPU only. Okay. Standard D2 as 4 in the sense by default CPU. Okay. We can also use DPU, GPU. I mean, if there are NLP capabilities and all, you can use it, guys. Okay, now click on next. See deployment name. This is the one GPT-401 under traffic allocation 100%. If you do not 100%, you can reduce the cost and all, you can save it. So I am using 100%. Click on next. Okay, hit on review plus create it. So I am deploying my GPT-4o model on top of one of the VM in Azure Machine Learning, guys. Okay, see, provision state is deploying. Have you observed Kohil? Actually, we are deploying GPT-4o model that can be consumed in our custom applications.
Okay, got it.
Yeah. See here, you can see live traffic allocation as well as provisioning state. Both are deploying.
So in the pay-as-you-go subscription, what are all the things you are going to be showing in this whole course? Everything will work, or do we need to go with Visual Studio Enterprise subscription? Hello.
Okay, still it is allocation is deployment. Okay, it will take some time. Okay, so tomorrow I will show you one example like how we can use, okay, how we can process and all this machine learning model and all. Then we'll come to know how we can use it machine learning. Okay, so just for example, I'm showing you, but we will start it with Python and the basic services from Azure and all. Okay, still provisioning state is succeeded. Live traffic it is. Still it is creating. Okay, it will take some time. Here we can check the status.
And suppose the whole course, what you are going to teach, everything will work under pay-as-you-go subscription, or do we need to get this Visual Studio Enterprise subscription?
I am going for Visual Studio Enterprise subscription only. Pay as you go model, it will work. No worries. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, that's all for today. You can, yeah, if you have interested, contact to DurgaSoft people. They will guide you further. Okay, Kaushal.
Okay, got it.
So tomorrow we'll discuss about what? One sample, how we can pull the data from storage account, how to manage it, that we will discuss it in next session. Okay.
Okay, related to data point of view, you will teach everything.
Yes, related to data point of view. This is the connector, right? We can establish the connection from different data sources.
Okay. Now,
Yeah.
why? Because I'm a data engineer, so how exactly I want to know how this will be useful for us.
Yeah.
So
For
if you
sure.
are telling all the things related to data point of view, that will be better for me.
Yeah, sure. 100%.
Means all the things you will be mentioning based on data point of view itself.
Yeah, data point, machine learning and all data point of view only.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Totally 60 sessions will be there, right?
Yeah, totally it will go 66.
Okay. So notes will be given by you. You.
Yeah, documentation, notes and all I will share with you.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you everyone. Bye. Have a great day. Take care. ఉమ్. నువ్వేమన్నా నేనేమన్నా వేస్తాను పరుపు వస్తున్నాను.